Unveil the Truth with Shaykhul Islam Dr. Muhammad Tahir al-Qadri's thorough an examination of Yazid's disbelief. This groundbreaking work brings together clear and compelling evidence from the Quran and Hadith, affirming the authentic beliefs of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah. Dr. Qadri's research presents a well-organized compilation of scholarly arguments, drawing on the wisdom of revered predecessors and the authoritative fatwa of Al-Imam Al-Azam Abu Hanifa. This book sheds light on the tragedy of Karbala, cutting through the myths and misconceptions to reveal those truly responsible behind this historic event. In this meticulous study, Shaykhul Islam Dr. Muhammad Tahir al-Qadri demonstrates with clarity Yazid's undeniable role in the martyrdom of Imam Hussein, peace be upon him. Exposing Yazid is not just a historical account, it is a comprehensive guide to understanding the timeless truths of our faith, offering valuable insights for those committed to upholding these principles.